You know I'm feeling good.
Growing older is inevitable.
I'm feeling better than better.
The National Hurricane Center has a new advisory here on Tropical Storm Milton. Now, the numbers remain the same as far as